Yo, what up? Pt.3 coming back with the third birthday box. Triple thread. The finest was, not the best, but now we get to the big stuff. High-end box for me, guys. Really high-end, and I'm extremely excited to bust this. Whatever. Doesn't matter.
I seriously opened that one.
Alright.
What's the matter?
Nothing else, just funny.
Alright, so hang on, let me just... I'll get it. Alright. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Tops, triple threads. Oh yeah. Pack 1. It opened. Very high-end product. So, obviously, probably going to be good. I'll do it later. Whatever. Thick pack. Okay, hits in the middle. So I'll slide that. Justin Upton to 1350. That's my dog Kayla. Say hi. Otis Wagner to 1350. That's nice. Dice K to 525 for the PC. Quentin to 525. Delgado to 999. And we have our auto. Oh yay, PC! That is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 piece Michael Bowden. It's a PC. It's nice to 99. It's a Red Sox PC card. Alright, so mini box number 2. Booklet time, hopefully. Hopefully we'll get a booklet in here. Ooh, this is a thick one. Sizemore, PC, 1350. Adrian is 1350. Andrew Gonzalez, Matt Holliday, 1350. Jimmy Rollins to 525. Carlos Beltran to 240. And oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Mojo! 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 Mickey Mantle, Babe Ruth, Lou Gehrig, triple. Oh my gosh! 31 of 36.